Hi everyone, this is Elaine at the Pulaski County Public Library, and today I want to tell you about how you can access Ancestry at home. Now normally if you try to access it at home, it's a paid service. You can access it at the library on the library computers for free. However, for the time being, Ancestry has graciously granted access to users at home through our library website. That is only through the end of May right now, so May 31st. There is the potential for it to be extended longer, but we won't know until that happens. So to be able to access Ancestry at home, you want to go to our website, which is pulaskicounty.lib.in.us. You're going to come over here to where it says My Account, and you're going to put in your library card number. And once you put that in, it's going to bring you to your homepage here. This is where it gives you your information on if you have items out, if you owe any fines, any reserves, anything like that. Right down here, you will see it says Ancestry Remote Access right here. And there's a blue link here. It says click here. If you just click on there, it takes you into Ancestry. This is the same thing that we have at the library when you come in to use it. So again, it is available to you to use at home until the end of May. If you have any questions, you can call us at the library, ask us on Facebook, or send an email. We hope you enjoy this service, and this is another way that the library is at home with you. Have a great day and happy searching.